Why are these folks stuffing a roof with plastic balls? Well, this is called BubbleDeck technology, and it's kind of genius. These balls reduce dead weight, save up to 35% of concrete volume, and still keep the structure super strong. Since less concrete is used, this process also reduces the weight on the base of the building. Because the slabs are lighter, architects can design wide open spaces without needing a gazillion columns. BubbleDeck technology has been used in airports, malls, stadiums, and even university buildings. So the next time someone tells you plastic balls don't belong in serious engineering, tell them they're literally holding up the roof. Tag an architect, civil engineer, or your curious cousin who thinks balls are just for dodgeball.